friends, welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner. I'm Kate, and this week we are making our dear friend Ted, thanks Ted, his holly wreath cookie recipe. I've never made these before and they have turned out just fabulously. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future recipes, and join us today and see just how easy it is to make this iconic cookie. You need 45 marshmallows, 4 cups of cornflakes, cinnamon candy, 1 stick of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract and green food coloring, and a shirt you're okay with getting a little messy. Line your countertops with wax paper and move your ingredients closer to the stove to make it a little bit easier. So we are melting this whole stick of butter. Once this is melted, we will add our food coloring and our vanilla extract. Then the marshmallows go in, the cornflakes, and I think it's going to be a very quick process, so make sure that you are ready to hustle. So our butter is almost melted. Once we have melted butter, we are adding in our food coloring, then our, oh shoot, here we go. Oh, it's happening, it's all happening. Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, don't panic, don't panic. Okay, 1 TSP. Oh my gosh, calm down, calm down. What to do here? Oh my gosh, we got a mess. I can't get it open! Okay.
This is Don't Burn Dinner live.
No! Okay, these are next, right? Yeah, 45. Here we go. This is intense. Nope, I turned the heat off, so let's bring it back up. I'm gonna try to get the rest in there. I should have really had this ready to go. And why does that look blue? It looks kind of blue. Okay, wait, let's dial back. 1 TSP. TSP. What's up? All right. It's not as pretty of a green as I had hoped for, but that's okay. We're almost melted on the marshmallow. Probably should have done a bigger pot in hindsight. We're adding in 4 cups. Oh dear. You're not even green. Okay, I'm gonna add more green. I think our dye was organic or something, which is fine, but that's why it wasn't as intense. I got happy with the color, ended up moving it over to the wreath assembly station, and what we do is we spray our hands with a little cooking oil so they don't stick too much to the wreaths. Obviously, be careful as you're pulling your mixture out to make the wreaths that you don't burn your fingers. So check your temperature before you dive in, and just proceed with caution. Once you've formed all of your cute little wreaths, you are ready to add in your cinnamon candies. 3 little hollies. Isn't that so cute? And now, the moment of truth that we have all been waiting for. Are they as good as they look? And yes, they are. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. And thanks for watching.